Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you interested in doing a new business in Kenya? Or expanding an existing one? Or simply learning more about how to start a business in Kenya? Then you have arrived to the right place and you must watch the complete video with us. With NPCS, smooth your startup launch in Kenya. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. Top reasons to start a business in Kenya. Starting your own business has never been easier with the rise of the internet and the global connectivity it offers. For this reason, entrepreneurs are flocking to countries like Kenya, where they can find cheap startup costs, stable communities, and emerging markets to get their businesses off the ground quickly and easily. Whether you are just getting started or you are an experienced entrepreneur, these 5 reasons will help you realize why Kenya is the perfect place to start your business today. Starting a business in Kenya is easier than ever. Startup costs are low, labor is inexpensive, and it's easy to establish your company as a legitimate operation. If you're thinking about launching your own business from scratch or relocating an existing one to Kenya, here are few compelling reasons why you should take the leap. Business opportunities in Kenya. Entrepreneurs can find opportunities in a number of sectors, including energy, ICT, health, and tourism. You can also consider investing or partnering with businesses that are ready to expand into new markets or grow their existing one. Ease of doing business. Costs related to starting and running your business, such as labor costs, rental fees for buildings, energy costs, telecoms fees, all are relatively low compared with other countries. Access to natural resources. The land and nature provide lots of natural resources, including timber, minerals, agricultural products, wild gem, and fresh water. This means there are plenty of opportunities for entrepreneurs who want to explore new ways of using these resources. In fact, much of Kenya's economy is based on agriculture. So if you have an interest in farming or ranching, your chances of success here are high. Entrepreneurial spirit of Kenyans. People in Kenya have an entrepreneurial spirit, and many aspire to start their own businesses. As people are looking for new opportunities, there are boundless potential for success. In fact, over 90% of Kenyans participate in some form of small-scale farming or business according to KPMG estimates. It's easy to take advantage of Africa's ready-made market. How NPCS can help you? NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities, such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment, and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon. Please visit to our website for more information. And you can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.